Everyone, I am back to share with y'all my newest digitals that are in my Etsy shop, and also show y'all a couple of a project that I'm working on that's going to feature those digitals. So this digital set in my Etsy shop is called Francesca Neutral Shabby. There's two different sets. Well, they're not different. They're the same, but they're different sizes. So I have two different sizes in two different listings. And then I also have an add-on kit, which is the ephemera that I will show y'all in just a second. I've had to start naming my digitals because they were kind of starting to become a little confusing. It makes them less confusing. I'm just not good at the naming, so that's why I haven't done it up till now. But anyway, let's get started looking at these. These are the, oh no, my battery's going dead. These are the full-size digitals, the 8x11. These are a little smaller. These are 7.25 by 10, I think, because I printed them out that way, but they will go all the way up to 8.5 by 11. And I just love them. I'm in love. Love them, love them, love them. Very neutral, very shabby. I think very, very elegant. So you see, you get a good bit of just background pages, which are what I call these types of pages. I don't remember exactly how many they are, but it is listed in, in Etsy when you open up the listing. Look at that chandelier. Okay, these are the 8x11 size. I just shrunk those. Like I said, I just shrunk those other ones down for a purpose that I have in mind for them. And then now the add-on ephemera kit. So this is called Francesca add-on kit. And this is printed on regular paper, again, because of something that I have in mind. Most of the time I print my ephemera on either HP photo paper or presentation paper, which is much thicker. And look at these pretty sparkly butterflies. I love them. My two granddaughters are here in this room. Two of my granddaughters are in this room with me. They're still in bed. It's the afternoon. And I told them I'm making the video, and they're over there rolling around making the bed squeak. But that's okay. Got tags. And I love these shabby dresses, y'all. Okay, let me show y'all what I'm working on using those. This is a set that I'm going to list together. And right here I've got a journal. And I've got one of those dresses on the front. And a really pretty applique. And a bunch of fabrics and dangles up underneath. Tulle. This is actually a baby's dress that I tea-dyed that I have here. And it is on this lace coffee dyed shimmery folder, which I love. And inside, these are the other size that you can get. This is a separate listing. It's just another size of the same prints. So I've got a shaker here that I made with a print up underneath. I think that is so pretty. And listen. It's bagged with some of my stencil coffee dyed shimmer papers. One of my most favorite papers I've ever made. And all of it is sewn. And I think just this journal alone, like, I'm not sure that it needs anything else. I think this is just gorgeous. I've distressed all of the edges. I hope y'all are able to see all of this. And I am done with this journal because I'll show y'all when I'm done what my plan was. And on this last page, another print with I made into a shaper and the good crunchy sound. We got that typewriter image with the peonies. Okay, and then over here, which I have not finished at all, I've only started, is a little ephemera holder. And here's the front. Here's the front, more of that baby's dress. I've got a dangle with some tulle, and I've got a pocket here and some collaging. A couple of tucks here, and that's a tuck also made from one of the belly bands. And I'm not done, as you can see. This is just what I'm working on, and I've got big, huge pockets. Each of the places have big, huge pockets that I plan on filling up with different types of ephemera and goodies. And I did it that way so that, you know, whoever buys this, they're going to get both. And then if they want to, they could take this ephemera and add it to here, or leave it separate. You know, it's however who buys it wants to do it, obviously. Anyway, that is it, y'all. And I do hope that y'all enjoyed watching this. These are not finished, so they're not in my Etsy shop yet, but they will be. But my digitals are definitely there. 3 sets of the Francesca Neutral Shabby. Thanks for y'all for watching, and y'all have a great day, and hope we talk soon. Bye.